In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating and opening Gallery app. Now select pictures at the bottom left corner or albums right next to them. Then locate all of your photos that you wish to get rid of and hold the chosen one. To select multiple right away, use this dot at the top left corner. If you want to keep some of those photos, click on them. And then to delete the rest, use bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete your pictures from Pictures section instead of one of your albums, hold the chosen photo and use those type of dots at the top left corners. Then delete them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!